Okay, this here's the tank stand that I told you about. As you can see that it's working, everything lights up, the bubbles are going on either one of the tanks. The crack I was talking about is this particular tank has come loose, but it's still watertight. It doesn't really hurt anything. It's just a matter of that little crack there that you can barely see being in there. They light up on the inside. We got a color CFL and then a bunch of Christmas string lights to run the front. Over here we got some fuses that light up, and this is an old post office box cover. Down here we got a couple of lights on a flicker circuit. I leave this loose so that you can just reach in and change those if you need to. And there you go is the tank stand. One last thing, I told you this caster on this foot up here broke off, but I still have it right here. It could probably glue back on pretty easy if you want to get under there and glue it on. Alright, this here's the Jacob's ladder. You see we got two big copper pipes running it. Inside here is the transformer. As I told you, it comes apart for storage. The way that works is you just pull these off. You can see there's a dowel. And the only thing you need to do to get it to run is to slip this pipe back over this wire here. And in just a sec I'll do that as Kyle takes the camera from me. And it's a little bit of a tight fit, so it needs two hands. And the other thing we got to do is this V is too wide for it to reach the top. So need to close that up a little bit. I'm just using a piece of insulated wire to do that. Something like so. We come over here and we turn it on. One thing I will say is this thing gives off quite a bit of EMF, and it can fry a phone or a camera if you get too close to it, so might be a good idea to build a Faraday cage around it. A screen or a plexiglass cover around this box just to prevent that, or just keep people away from it either way. And last thing here we got is our control panel. As you see, we got 3 knife switches. Each knife switch operates a different one of these extension cords that come out the top. They're actually labeled. This one says generator. I don't know if you can see that. They're labeled for me. This one says Bob. But I'll let you know which ones do which. The first switch actually runs 2 different things. I had to have this so in my lab. This was the brains for the whole lab. The first switch actually turns off the lamps and then turns the control panel itself on. Kyle, you want to flip it first? As you can see, control panel lights up, everything working. Right now I have the second switch plugged into the tanks. Kyle, you want to flip that one? And it turns on all the tanks for us. And the third switch is for the Jacob's ladder right at the moment. And there you have it.